Hello, Chris. Hi, Naomi. As I promised, I want to make a very short video. I think that we have time to present that small project, but we have everything we can have in automation system. So we have one HMI, the HMI. We have some push button. We have the tower lamp, and then we have the sensor. We have a motor, and then we have a controller, and I did everything to make this door open and close, and then with the safety meaning like when the door closes and somebody's there, they don't have to go back up because to avoid the accident. So with the first page, let's go to the quick on the HMI. So we have several pages. This is the first page. The first page display my logo. This is my logo, and then display also the type of the project. So this one just in my door, residence Bitoli, and then we have the date and time. And then to go to the next page, you just touch anywhere on the screen, and then we go to another screen. And this is the second screen. As you can see, we is saying like automatic mode is off because I turned that off. I can turn that on if I press on the push button here, and then you see the system is in auto mode, and I can turn that off the system, and then nothing will happen the other side. We have this is the alarm control. So we have the acknowledge alarm and the alarm silence. So what happened if we have an alarm situation? We want to have a sound, so you don't fix it. You can silence the alarm until the point is fixed, and then you can go through the acknowledge, so you can just move on with your process. And on the next page, we have the security page, that is the login page. So we have 2 access level, and after some time, I think after 10 minutes, you will be automatically logged out. So right now I'm the manager who's logged in, and I can put the operator. Yeah, first we have to log out, and then I can put the operator who can log in. The password is 2212, and then there you go. Now we have the operator who's logged in, and it can activate the manual mode. So if we go the other side, and I can activate the manual mode, as you see, automatic mode is off and manual mode is activated. And the next screen, we have the chart screen, and then we have another screen that display the manufacturer or the person who did. For now it's me, and this is Bitoli Control Technology. With my logo, we have time and date, and we have different stuff that I do. And then we have another page, just not yeah, for fun. It's just for fun to get rid of that. Yeah, you just press anywhere on the screen, and then you go back. You can go back again, and then back again. So now on the push button, we have the e-stop. So if I press the e-stop, the alarm will go off, because that means the e-stop is pressed off. And if I press this one, the yellow one, and the machine is in manual mode, the door will be going up and down, stop while it's movement, and green activate the automatic mode, and red stop the system. And the other side, we have our lamp. Red while we have an alarm, or we have the e-stop that's pressed out. Orange will be flashing when the door is going down, and green will be flashing when the door is going up. The other side, we have our door. This is represent our door. We have the top sensor, so that the limit that the dog can go. We have the bottom sensor that we say the bottom limit, and then we have the presence that one activate the door to go up and down. So without further ado, now let me do some demonstration. So now let's activate the manual mode, and then we can see the system is in manual mode. So if I press this, the door, because it is fully closed, it will be opening, and you see the door is opening, and it stop right there. You won't do anything until I give another instruction. Pushing the same button, it will go down, and this go down, and it will stop where it's supposed to be because it cannot go further. So that the manual mode. And in the manual mode, if the door is going up and I press again, it will stop, and then when I press again, it go in the opposite direction. So now let's activate the automatic mode by pressing the green button right there. First you have to stop the manual mode and then press the green button, and then we have the system in automatic mode. And if the system is automatic mode, you have to make sure that we have some safety measure too. So the first thing, when we come closer to the proximity sensor, and then the door will open and it will stop. After a while it will go down, just I think 3 seconds, go down and it will stop. And then if I come again, I press, it will go down, up, and then it will go down, and we still have the light flashing. And then if you come, the door will go back up. So every time the door is going down and they feel something, it will go back up. So this is just to avoid the accident. Yeah, so that one thing. Now I can create an alarm situation. So what I do, I will disconnect the door. Disconnect the door. Yeah. So the door is disconnected. So when I come closer to the switch, the alarm, but nothing is happening, and the alarm will go off. That means something's wrong. And then we have the display here saying that something is wrong. So first of all, we can silence the alarm. But if you silence the alarm and you don't fix the problem, you'll be the flashing red, meaning there's a situation. So to do so, you have to fix the problem. Let's fix the problem. I will plug the door again. Look. And acknowledge the alarm, and everything is okay, but nothing will happen because the automatic mode still off. Because it's off, we have to put back on or go to manual. So let's just go to auto mode, and then because in the auto mode we can go back and see the door will open, and that's it. So you can stop the system and then go back and then add the loop. I think you enjoy the video. Yeah, I will post that and then give me a feedback. Thank you.